A great bag is truly your best friend, and this is the perfect bag. I love the fact that it's the Croco embossing on the front and the back, and then the python on the side, along with the natural color, just that natural solid color on the handles, and then of course you have that long adjustable strap. This is the perfect bag. It's lightweight, it's easy, it carries a lot, but it's not too big, and the colors are fabulous. Here it is in white. It's kind of an ivory, which I absolutely love. Here's the pink, and it's a beautiful blush pink. By the way, here you can see that it does zip close all along the top if you want it to do that. Then I have to say, oh my gosh, this is the most beautiful yellow I have ever seen, and I love the python on the side. Then we have this beautiful green. Look at the python on the side, and this beautiful blue. Look at the python on the side. By the way, we have it in black too, but I couldn't hold them all. So, want to let you know, if you like silver tone hardware, the blue and the green have silver tone hardware. The yellow, the pink, and the ivory all have gold tone. This is a beautiful bag, a functional bag, a rich looking bag, and an amazingly affordable bag compared to what you think you'd be paying for it. A great bag is always your best friend. And now you can choose 6 colors and your new best friend.